Right. This is the movie list app. Starts with the O2 authorization or whatever the name is for the authorization from Google. You click on the login button and then you select which email you want to log in with. And the way that authorization works is that it just checks to make sure that you're logged into the Gmail account. It's not like it logs into your app. It's basically just verifying user info, and so you get the info that the developers get is your name, email address, Google ID, and then I store that information in my database so that we can store the list information for the user because they're going to be clicking on movies that they want to save. And so in my database we'll save the user info and then also the movies that they've saved, not just like the ID of the movie, but the movie information itself. That may have been like an extra step. I'm not real sure if that was needed, but I did that in order to avoid pulling in information from my database and then on top of that having to pull the full movie info in from the movie database, which is the API that I'm using to pull data from. So pretty basic. We type in name of a movie or TV show that we want to see, and then we can save it to list, search for something else, and you click on these. Eventually I want to change this to not only indicate that it has been saved, but make it a different icon like a star. And then so it'll do a little conditional statement like if exist in our list for this user, then do a star that is colored in instead of blank. You click on my list and you see the movies that I have saved. You can reload, reload. There we go. Log in again. Search and go straight to my list, and they're all still there.